Okay students, in this session we are going to learn about the macros. Okay, macro means that same task we will do multiple times, that will be minimized, means we can record the same task and then we can apply. Okay, like here we can do add a total of this maths, then science, English, computer and drawing. Then we will do average for this all, maximum for this, minimum for this, and count. So once we will do this and we will record it, and then for all that we will apply the same thing. Okay, so now how to start the macro? So click here and click on the macro, and first use relative reference. Okay, now after that, we have to click here now, and then click on the record macro. Here you can type the macro name. For example, here I'm going to type the name of macro and shortcut key whatever you can give, and click here on the same. Okay, I will change it. Yes, now do this is equals to, we can do sum, as you know how to do this. So click here and select all and press enter. Now we are going to find average, so average, and then select the range from which we are going to do average. Similarly maximum, so select the given range and apply the maximum. Similarly for minimum, so select the range and press enter. Now in this you have to write here how many students got more than 80 marks. So we have to use count if, and then select the range, and then in inverted comma we have to write greater than 80. Okay, and close the bracket and press enter. So there are 2 students are there who got more than 80 marks in maths. Now students whose marks are more than 75 should be filled by green color. So select this one, go to the home and click on the conditional formatting, greater than, and type here 75 and click on the custom format, and from the field you can select the color, and if you want to change the font color you can change also the font color, and click OK, and here click OK. So you can see here it is applied, right? Now this much thing we want to do. Now same task we want to apply for this, but before we proceed we will stop the macro. Yes, it is stopped. Now we want to apply that. So again click on this second subject macro and click on the view macro. Here new macro we have created, and click on the run. You can see it is automatically created. Now same task we are going to perform. Click here view and view macro, and you can click on run. Okay, similarly you can press also shortcut key Control M also. Here if you click here Control M also, it can create here Control M also. Here you can create Control M. Get it? So this is called the use of macro, student. Okay, you can perform same for the vertically and horizontally also. Then so I hope you understood, students, what is the macro. So macro means it will minimize your repeated task, that is called the macro. What to do? You have to record them. Before you have to record the macro, click on the macro and record it, and whatever task you are going to record, it will be recorded itself, and then click on the shortcut key, or you can paste the macro. Okay, so I hope you students you understood this, what is the macro and how to use the macro. And you can also apply same for the openoffice.org Kelsey program, and also for the same for the Excel, right? So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and also share this to your friends also. Okay, till then, next video. Thank you and bye.